tour.
Yes, we're here.
Hello.
We're back.
From Manila.
From Manila. Yeah. We went here last year.
Oh, just long time ago.
Hello.
Remember your dog?
Yeah, they are very kind. When Mendo, I will open it.
Where is your wife?
Yes.
Honey, okay, please.
Pretty strong. I like it.
Iba yan eh. Alpha, ganun.
Ah, ganun.
Oh, makipera.
Nice.
So, this is right? Isang libo exact. Isang libo.
Diretso Tagalog. Sabi niya, 1,000 eksakto.
Sabing farm.
Kasi,
Farm. Yeah.
nako, ayun yung mga beefs, oh. Yeah, those are the beefs.
For production.
So, yan na, Saigon.
Tayo na lang.
Okay, last on my bucket list. Ano ba? Chowlong ba?
Oo, chawlo.
Last po. Last on my bucket list. Pa.
Tagay dito, diyan ka lang.
Chowlong. Chowlong.
Oh, dito lang, dito. Sa mas mahaba. Oh, dito.
Okay, so yung chowlong daw dito lang sa Palawan and reddish dahil may atsuete, no? Pero parang Vietnamese pho din siya. Okay, so we'll get the pho.
Ito, beef stew for pan noodles.
Okay guys, so the chowlong is local here in Palawan, but it is almost the same as the Vietnamese pho. It's just that the chowlong has a reddish color because of the atsuete.
Oo, yun lang ako.
Okay.
Brisket.
Beef stew po.
Ito. Ito medyo reddish orange.
Share tayo sa beer.
Yeah.
O, ano ako.
Same with the pho in the States, but they use calamansi here instead of lemon. Mint.
That's the
and
lemon
bean
in the
sprouts.
Philippines.
Yeah. Taste test of Vietnamese pho in Palawan.
Okay, ayaw ko yung noodles. Okay lang yung soup.
Ha?
Wait, ayun po.
Sama na. Lapit mo.
Yung bread. Dip mo siya.
Okay. Iba yung timpla dito sa Palawan.
Ay ba?
Parang may tamis. Parang may tamis.
Kayo iba?
Diba? So, the Palawan Vietnamese pho has a hint of sweetness. At the end, just a hint. Let's taste the beef.